A very warm welcome to you, our dear viewers. Welcome to this new tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up a Shopify Buy Now button on your Shopify store. Here, I'm already on my Shopify store. And if I go to products, you notice I already have added 2 products, and in this YouTube channel we have different tutorials on how to add different products, and you are highly welcome to watch them. Now, how do you add the Buy Now button on your Shopify store? So you simply come to the bottom left corner down here and click on Add Apps. Then the picked for you apps will show up here. Just scroll down, come to Shopify App Store, click on that, and this will load the apps that are available on the Shopify App Store. So at the top here, you are going to type Buy Now Channel. Here, Buy Now Channel. And that will give you different Buy Now channels. But remember, our interest is to add the button. So you notice we have the extensive integration manager, add metric, frequently bought together, all these, but we are interested with the buy button channel. So you will simply click on buy button channel here, and it is actually free to install that. And then you notice the ratings here, and then the details about the app here. It lets shoppers check out right on the spot from any website or blog. This means the buy now button that we are adding here, you can also use it in other websites and in other blogs, and this will help promote your product to visitors who view your blog or website regularly. And so we'll come back here and click on Open App, and this will be opening now the Buy button channel on your Shopify store. Now, once the installation is complete, it will bring you here where you can see the Buy button at the top here, and then create a Buy button for our website or blog. You sell your products online and let customers check out right away. You'll click on that, create a button. And then what type of buy button would you like to create? So we have 2 options for Shopify here. We have the product buy button, which is recommended for showing one product on a blog page or website. And we have the collection buy button, which is recommended for showing an entire collection of a full page. Now our interest will be on the first one, to buy a product, which is recommended for one product on a blog page or website. So you click on that, and then now this will search the products from your store and highlight them here. I already showed you that I had 2 products added. So you notice now we have the 2 products here. So you can select the products where you want to add the buy button, but because we selected one, you can only select one product at a time. So you notice if I select the baby toys, the bus paint becomes inactive. If I deselect that, now I can select the bus paint, but the baby toys becomes inactive. So you can only select one product at a time, because back here, if I go back here, we didn't select the collection button, but the product buy button. So we'll click on that again, and then select the bus paint here, and then we click on select. And now we have just selected one product where we will add the buy button, and that will bring you to this site where you now need to customize your button. So you now notice our product here, the bus paint, has been added with the price that we had added when adding this product. And down here it's written add to cart, but what we need for this one is buy now. So when you come to the left hand side, you notice we have the layout style divided from basic, classic, and full view. If you click on basic, you notice how the view looks like here. So that's the basic one, and at the top you can do that on mobile view or on desktop view, the basic one. Then if you go to classic view, that is the classic view. If we can view that on mobile, let's click on mobile here, That's the classic view on mobile. You notice how it is. Then classic view on desktop. Then we can go back to this layout style and click on full view. So this is how the full view looks like. So you select one that fits what you want. I prefer going with classic that way so that I can see the details here and the button here. But you notice our button is actually written add to cart. So to change this, you come here and select direct to checkout. That way you now notice it has changed to buy now. Then you can now change the button style. If you click on button style here, if you click on that, it now opens different things like the color, the text and all that. So let's change the background color. You click on that. Let's put that in red. So you now notice our buy now button is in red. We can also change the corners. If we drag this and you look at the corners, you notice now the button is more of a circle at the edges. We can drag it back to make it have sharp edges. You notice now it has sharp edges. So you can adjust the button to what you want it to fit. So I prefer it to just have some round edges there. Then you can also change the button width. If I reduce the width, you notice our width, how it looks like. It's very small. However, I recommend to have it slightly bigger so that it's well visible, something like that. Now the buy now is very visible. And then you can look at the button text here. So we have the button text color. Here it's currently white and you can change it here. If you click on that, you notice we can put it in black, then we can put it in white, we can put it in whichever color, we can even put it in blue. So whichever color that we want, but you'll need to put a color that contrasts very well. And then you can also change the button text font. So you can choose any other font here from all the fonts given here. So let's, for instance, just choose Old Stafford Bold. Notice how the text font looks like, and then the Oxygen Bold. Notice how it looks like, and then you can now change the size. Maybe you want it to be just big and shouting, buy now. You can just add that way. So notice now our button for buy now is big enough. So once you're through with that, you click on next. And then this way you can copy your button, your buy button live. You can copy the code. You can get your buy button either on your WordPress, on Squarespace, or even on Wix. So I'm going to click back. And so now your buyers will only need to come and just click on buy now. I hope this has been helpful. That is how you simply add a buy now button on your Shopify store. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.